Efficiency, durability, and innovation are the key factors you must keep in mind when developing your products. This usually involves long development processes, high costs for prototypes, and rigid workflows. Which material or surface design works best? And which lubricant should be used to satisfy the efficiency and durability requirements of your product? Wouldn't it be great if there was an easy-to-use service that offers you answers to all your questions? With our on-demand services of standardized tribological characterization, data-driven services, and virtual workrooms with integrated lab to field upscaling services, you can develop your products more time-efficiently and at lower costs. You want to know how different materials, lubricants, or surface designs perform? We provide standardized tribological characterization and analysis with a significant quantity of data of superior quality. You need data for statistics or analytics? We offer data-driven services. All your data and material information are stored and securely managed by us. You can use your data for additional data analytics, create reports quickly, or find new ideas anytime, anywhere. You want to reduce expensive and long-lasting component tests? Use our virtual workrooms and lab-to-field upscaling services. With our easy-to-use tools, you can use all relevant material information produced and predict the performance of your product. This decreases the number of expensive prototypes and component tests, saving you time and money. And the best thing about this? All of these services can easily be selected via our web platform, whenever and wherever you need them. Toyota, Moventus, and Trigonal already rely on our services. So what are you waiting for? We are i-TRIBOMAT, the European Tribology Centre, with partners from all over Europe. Get in contact to access more than 100 tribometers and additional advanced characterization methods and get support from more than 250 experts. We provide you with the world's most flexible and most extensive tribological material characterization. Go to i-tribomat.eu and join us now.